Fear of failure. Many people freeze at the thought of failure, but the Stoics practiced premeditatio malorum, imagining what could go wrong, so they wouldn't be caught off guard. Like an athlete afraid to lose, fear holds us back. But when you accept failure as a possibility, you free yourself to try. Perfection stops us from finishing. Aristotle believed in the golden mean, finding balance, not chasing flawlessness. A writer waiting for the perfect draft may never finish, but aiming for good enough leads to real success. Attachment to outcomes. When we obsess over results, we suffer. The Bhagavad Gita teaches us to do our duty without attachment to outcomes. A student focused only on grades misses the joy of learning. But one who values the process grows in every grade. Blame and victimhood. Blaming others feels easy, but it blocks growth. Viktor Frankl reminds us we always have the power to choose our response. Instead of blame, take responsibility. That's where transformation begins. Lack of self-awareness. Without self-awareness, we choose the wrong goals. Socrates urged us to know ourselves. A person chasing prestige may end up lost, but when you understand your real passions, your path becomes clear. Avoidance of discomfort. Growth hides in discomfort. Nietzsche said, Amor fati, love your fate. Embrace the challenge. A musician avoiding tough pieces stays stuck, but those who persist rise. Inflexibility and rigid thinking causes collapse. William James's pragmatism teaches, adapt based on what works. A business clinging to old methods fails, but one that evolves, survives, and thrives.